without too much ado, I will be going to Iceland. Now, when I saw the Iceland volcano starting to erupt just a few weeks ago, and knowing it's only a short drive or flight from Reykjavik, I asked my lovely colleague and part-time snooker playing and drinking buddy, Anna Valdimarsdottir, if she could sort something out to entertain us. Not only have they risen to the challenge, but I believe they smashed it out of the park. Take a look now to see what they've done for us. This is pretty cool. Following this, there'll be a break until from 1 until 1:30. So over to you, Anna.
It's me, Anna, Sena DMC. Welcome to Iceland. We're going to spend your lunch break telling you all about the volcanic eruption in Iceland, few things about what a great destination Iceland is for incentive groups and meeting groups. We'll keep you entertained with some beautiful footage from the eruption site, and my friend Svavar Knútur will sing a few songs and keep you entertained. So stay tuned. The eruption in Geldingadalur started on March 19th, around 9:30 in the evening. And Geldingadalur is located here right between Keflavík Airport and Reykjavik, the capital of Iceland. It's located in a beautiful valley, far away from the nearest fishing village, so it didn't create any hazards to the people living there in the area. Although the site looks like now a bit like Mordor, it is an unbelievable site to visit either by a helicopter or for a great hike. It's an earthly experience, truly a wow, once in a lifetime experience, and I cannot wait to meet and greet all of you and take you there for a thrilling time.
Hello everyone, great to see you guys. Well, see you. Great for you to see me, I guess. My name is Troubadour and I am a troubadour and singer-songwriter from Iceland, currently touring around the fishing villages in the West Fjords. And you might be thinking, what is this rumbling behind you, Svavar? Is this a volcano in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me? And I hate to disappoint you, but I would love to just fascinate you with my favorite part of Iceland. This is my absolute favorite spot in this country, and it's called Dynjandi Waterfall. And it is for me, it's the most beautiful waterfall in the world. And since they opened up a tunnel behind there to the town of Ísafjörður, it's now like you can come all year round, come to visit it. And this is one of the most amazing places to see when it's all frozen. And sometimes in the spring, the ice starts to melt and break, and it's just amazing. I'm just gonna turn around the camera now to expose you guys to the beauty of Dynjandi Waterfall. It's absolutely an amazing piece of nature. And I thought I might just like sing a song for you or something. Because I love singing songs, and I think like that's the nicest contribution I can make to you guys. I hope you're having a wonderful time, and I hope you like the scenery. This is Dynjandi Waterfall, and my name is Svavar Troubadour. I'm just a friend of Anna Áshildur, and this is a car leaving. Just gonna let him leave. Bloody tourists. Kidding. So I'm gonna do a song called While the World Burns, and it's a song about yeah, while the world burns. Some people say the end is near. Some say that it's already here. Well, I won't feel the slightest fear if my arms are full of you. Maybe we will suffocate on poison fumes and clouds of hate. Well, I won't care about my fate if my arms are full of you. I just want to hold you while the world burns. I just want to hold you while the world burns. Let it burn, burn. Crushed by the ocean's mighty waves, ripped apart by robotic slaves. Well, I won't mind those crowded graves if my arms are full of you. Burned alive by bitter ash, or a supernova's blinding flash. Well, I won't mind that biting lash if my arms are full of you. I just want to hold you while the world burns. I just want to hold you while the world burns. I just want to hold you while the world burns. Let it burn, burn, burn. Let it burn, burn, burn. I just want to hold you while the world burns. I just want to hold you while the world burns. I just want to hold you while the world burns. Let it burn, burn, burn. Let it burn, burn, burn. Let it burn, burn, burn. Well, guys, I'm gonna leave you. I have to catch a flight to show up at a funeral, and I have to fly south and then fly back to the Westfjords. Yeah, one of these days. But I want to leave you with this. Like, I wanna do everyone a big disservice, all of the Icelanders, and I want to introduce you guys and tell you about our secret weapon. Icelanders have a secret weapon in this world, and it's a really, really cute one. It is our accent. Because with our accent, we can, if we use, this is the Icelandic accent, it sounds like this, and it's really cute. And everyone is like, oh, this is such a cute accent. And when you have this accent, everyone thinks that you're a fisherman or a farmer or something. And they will believe anything you say. And we use it all the time to screw with people and lie and make up stuff, and then people just buy it. For example, like, here's, and it has like two sides. I'm gonna tell you about the other side in a minute. But I mean, I once convinced people that, and I'm just gonna tell you this, like, Icelanders, we want to make a difference in this world, you know. We want to make a difference, but we're so small. We want to make a difference, but we're so small. So we you know, we want to make a difference on the climate, you know. So we are always trying to, you know, reduce our carbon footprint, you know, and the footprint as well, you know. So the footprint is like all the food you're eating, and we tried going vegan, it was working, but we are so small, we want to make a bigger difference with our, you know, consumer habits. So we invented a new ideology about veganism. It's called meta-vegan, and it's like awesome. It's like much cooler than veganism, because we, instead of just eating vegetables and no animals, we only eat animals that eat other animals. Yeah, work with me here. See, because when you don't eat a fish, like when you don't eat a fish, you save one fish, right? But when we eat a shark, we save 10,000 fish that were going to be eaten by the shark. So we are saving like tens of thousands of animals. And whenever I eat a wolf or a polar bear, I am saving so many baby seals, you know? And so it's like we are just punching above our weight, you know? And I think this is our great contribution to the world. We only eat meat-eating animals now. And people believe this, and they don't think I'm kidding. And some of you might now be going like, oh man, that is very distasteful joke. I am actually a vegan, and this is offending me. And here is the second part of the Icelandic secret weapon, which is this accent. Is that we are so cute, and we are so innocent, and we are so silly living on this island. We have this cute accent. And people start forgiving us. They just go, oh, you know, how can I stay mad at this guy, you know? And even like right now, like you are going like, yeah, he's right, you know, he's okay. And that's the beauty of it. It's called the Stockholm Syndrome. We love it. All right, have a wonderful time. Bye, guys.
I hope you all enjoyed that as much as I did. I made an appearance there at the end. It was some footage from a fam trip that we did a couple of years ago when we still could. And that's when I met Svavar Knudtur, the troubadour who gave us the Icelandic accents.